Hi, semicircle is one of my favorites in Pilates. This is Tracy from Downward Dog Rising, just doing a demo. You have to slide all the way to the bottom, making sure shoulder girdle is stabilized. Shimmy hips to the very end, bottom. And I like to create more space for my knees, so I'm going into Pilates V on my heels rather than the balls of my foot. And then balls of my feet. I'm gonna scoop in, lower down into the springs. Notice how my arms are straight, my elbows aren't folding in, and I peel up through my spine. Headrest is down. Control home. Scoop and articulate through the spine and press out. Expand into the lungs, feel ribs expand in all directions. And then reverse it, no weight in neck. And lifting up and press it out. And roll it in, peel up vertebra by vertebra, press heels to sky. Dropping in, had my ankle adjust. And I land, and I slide, and then I curl my body all the way up, I lift, and voila, it's done. Take care. Peace, everyone. DownwardDogRising.com.